Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw the classic version of Pac-Man. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, one more thing. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Awesome. Once we get down to the drawing, let's go see what we come up with. So for the first step in making our Pac-Man, we're going to begin by making two upside-down V's for the eyebrows. Awesome. Now we're going to make a huge circle for the body. The circle doesn't have to be absolutely perfect because later on we can go ahead and outline it. Fantastic. Now for the next step, we're going to move a little bit over to the right where we will begin to make the right arm and hand. Now let's hop over to the left side and do the same thing that we just did on the right. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now for the next step, we're going to begin to make the legs for our Pac-Man. We're going to make it appear as if our Pac-Man is running. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Pac-Man was debuted in 1980, May 22nd, in a Japanese arcade? Now we're going to move into the middle of the circle. We're going to make almost a U-like shape for the nose. Now above the nose that we make, we're going to begin to make two eyes. Now for the last step, we're going to make the mouth for our Pac-Man. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now let's go color in our Pac-Man together.